Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about double integrals. So now I will show you how to answer about this one. We don't have the formula to do this integration, but we can do about reverse the order. So we have dx dy, so we need to change dy dx because we reverse the order. That means we need to change the bounds in here. So we need to graph about dx and dy. About dx, so s is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to 4 minus y squared. About dy, y is greater than or equals to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 2. Now we need to graph about this one. So the graph of 4 minus y squared, that should be like this. So number 4 should be in here. So s is greater than or equals to, s is smaller than or equal to 4 minus y squared. So there should be about this one in here. Because s is greater than or equal to number 0, that should be about this one. About this one, y is greater than or equal to number 0. That should be about in here. And number 2, that should be about this one in here. Because this one is about number 2, we put number 2 in here. That is about 4 minus 2 squared. You got about 0 from here. And this one is about negative number 2. So in this situation, we just concentrate this one. Now, this one, that is about y. That is about s. Because we change the order, so we need to find the new bounds of dy dx. About y, we have this one. So we have s equal to 4 minus y squared. So I will put negative y squared go to the left, s will go to the right. Next, if we look on the graph, this one, that is about positive. So when we put the square root for the both sides, so we have y equals to the square root of 4 minus s. So y is greater than or equal to number 0, that's it from here, and smaller than or equals to the square root of 4 minus s. That is from here. About s, so we look on the graph, we see that s is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 4. So this one, we change dx dy into dy dx. The function we keep the same. Y, that should be about from 0 to the square root of 4 minus s. the next one that should be about from 0 to number 4. Now we don't have y in here, so the integration of dy we have y. From 0 to the square root of 4 minus s. So I will put this one cone here and this one cone here. So if we simplify, we just have only the integration from 0 to number 4 e to the power of 4s ds. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of 4s over number 4. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 4. So this one we have the final answer in here.